Good morning, world. I just want to hop on here real quick and give y'all a little bit of sauce about your credit report. It starts with personal information. A lot of people think that it's just that basic little thing, just your name and you know what I mean. But what they fail to realize is on your credit report, 7 times out of 10, there's definitely probably 3 names on there. You know what I mean? It might say John B. Doe. It might say John Doe, and then it might say John and Bravo Doe. You feel me? Like there's gonna be 3 different names or 2 different names or whatever. And then there's also going to be jobs. You might have jobs on there from 6 years ago. You know what I mean? You might have numbers on there from 6 years ago. You know what I mean? So you go through. I want you to start with your name and get that cleared up, and go down to your job and update your current job. You know what I mean? And your birthday and so on. Addresses will be all the way back to. Like they gonna have some addresses on there that you like, damn, how they get that? You know what I mean? Well, how they get that is because all your information from the time you was in elementary school goes into a system. And that's where they pull from. So therefore, you know what I mean? We got to put a stop to that. You know what I mean? That's when freezes come in play and etc. But I'm going to get into that later in later videos. But, you got to get your personal information narrowed down to one thing, current job, one address, and so on, okay? And then we'll go from there.